Let me see. Good. So it goes from the skeleton to this. What type of dinosaur is that?
Spinosaurus?
Is that your favorite?
Yes.
Good morning. Welcome back to day 8 of Vlogmas. This morning is well underway. Theo is home relaxing. Calvin is at school. Sully is at his morning training. I just got back from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got now. And then I have a few things I need to do at my computer. I need to shower and get some stuff ready. But then later today, I will take you with me and actually meal prep some of this to get ready for the week, and I'll share some of the recipes I'm excited about for this upcoming week. So let's go. Okay, look at this little berry plant. It is so cute. I had to get it. I'm gonna plop it right up here above my sink. You can't see that well because of the lighting, but I have my hanging succulents. Now I'll have my beautiful berry plant. And I have a couple other things over here, right above this big window that looks out to our woods. Okay, so general plan, I found this holiday hash. It has butternut squash, sweet potato, red onion. It says it's great for sauteing or adding to soups, but I'm going to use this as like a potato hash with eggs for the morning. So I'm going to cook this up and divide it into a couple bowls, and that way in the morning all I'll have to do is fry an egg, plop it on top, and be good to go. I also got some of this sausage to chop up and possibly put with it in case I want that in the hash instead of eggs. I got some thyme and some ground chicken because I'm gonna make some chicken meatballs to go with a little like feta bowl, so that's going to be delicious. We'll do that later. As for some like pre-made things, Parker likes these as a little extra in case he is hungry. They are frozen, you just heat them up. And I saw this, I love ravioli. It's like the only pasta I really like. And this is roasted cauliflower and cheese. It sounds so good. So I'm prepared for lunches. I'm actually going to make some like adult Lunchables. So I got some hummus that I can do. I already have cucumbers, so I got some carrots and hummus. I got some cheese. I love a little pepper jack, a little spicy cheese, and some cheddar cheese. I have rotisserie chicken, but I also got some salami in case I want to switch it up. Here I just have plain black olives that are pitted, and then look at this. Blue cheese stuffed, I'm not even gonna try to say that, something olives. These sound phenomenal. I love olives. Beets, I love beets. Also I wanted to try this white truffle popcorn and some pita chips. So I'm going to make a few of these little lunch boxes later. I'll show you what those look like. And of course, the goods over here. I got these for me and the boys. Hold the cone little mini ice creams and ice cream sandwiches. Yum. Oh, I also picked up these little pita bite crackers to also go in those Lunchables. So the last things I have are just some produce. I have some potatoes, a big sweet potato, some raspberries, bananas, pumpernickel, bread. I love making avocado toast. You already know that. So I got some pumpernickel this time. And of course, everything but the bagel seasoning. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna start putting some of these groceries all away in their proper spots. I'm gonna do a little work, hop in the shower, and then I'll pop in later to start meal prepping. Hello, it is lunchtime. It's later, I'm starving. This morning I got some of my phonics read the rooms all ready to go. They look like this. So here's that read the room activity I was talking about. I shared a free one for CH words. So there are 18 cards for each word, and students will either see a word or an image, and they have to go to each number and determine whether it has that target skill. So for this one, again, was CH, and for each one, as they would find number one, chair, they would color in the thumbs up because it does have CH. Fish, when they found number two, they would color in thumbs down. So I made this activity with 18 picture and word cards and a recording sheet for all 17 of these different skills. Well, actually, one of my amazing team members, Emily, made these, and I went ahead and formatted them this morning. So here is one for long O. So students, again, the cards would be up. They would have to hear or read and listen for that long O sound. And if it has it, they will do a thumbs up. And if it doesn't, they'll do a thumbs down. Those are going in the literacy club, and I'm deciding if I'm going to also put them on TPT. I'm unsure as of now. So if you have a preference, let me know in the comments, but right now I'm 50-50. But they are definitely going in the literacy club. I just got back from getting Sully at his training, so now it's time for me to make a little bit of lunch. So I'm going to prep some of that food that I shared with you earlier that I got from Trader Joe's. And today I'm gonna make like 4 adult lunchables is what I call them, because I could eat like a mini charcuterie board. Actually, I could eat a full charcuterie board all to myself. I love that. That could be like my dinner every single night. I love cheese and meat and vegetables and fruit and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna make myself about 4 of those for the rest of the week to have in the fridge. That way when I'm hungry, I can just grab them and get ready to eat. So let me throw my hair up and let's start making those. I just started slicing the unexpected cheddar, I think it's called. Yeah, unexpected cheddar cheese. My sister told me to get this at Trader Joe's this morning. She said people rave about it. I just looked it up and it says it's like a mix of like a sharp cheddar plus like a little hint of Parmesan. So I'm interested, let's see. Wow. Okay, that's really good. It is like cheddar with a hint of Parmesan. It's very crumbly. Okay, that's delicious. That's delicious. All right, checking in so far, we have that cheddar cheese, the pepper jack cheese, and some berries. I have strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. I'm a big berry fan. Now I'm gonna add some protein. I already had a rotisserie chicken that I had cut up yesterday, or 2 days ago, I think. So I'm gonna divvy that amongst the 4 dishes. And then I'm also going to make some hard-boiled eggs later, not necessarily to go with these little Lunchables, but just to have, I like having extra protein on the side that I can just grab and eat when I'm hungry. All right, for the olives, because olives, like especially this one right here, these blue cheese stuffed ones have all the oils, and I don't like that getting on, you know, the cheese or the fruit especially. I have these silicone little baking cups that I use when making muffins or cupcakes. So I went ahead and put those in there. That will help them not, you know, slide all around. And plus, it looks cute. And last but not least, what's going to go in the prepped box, I added some baby carrots, and we are going to add cucumbers to each one to finish off the box. And then when I actually eat it, I'll show you, but I will get some crackers or some popcorn or pretzels, some little crunchy, crispy type thing to finish it off when I actually eat my lunch. For my little crunchy, I decided to use these right here, the multigrain pita bite crackers with whole wheat and flaxseed. And now I'm going to actually boil up some eggs like I said I was going to. And I know this is ridiculous, but this is the one and only baby item that I've kept. It is it was like a baby food steamer, but it cooks the most perfect eggs. It had this little egg insert. So that's the way I boil the eggs. It is so easy. You simply put all 6 eggs laid out there. And then if you're doing if you're boiling the eggs, then you go ahead and put a cup of water, spilling water everywhere. Then you simply pour the water in here. It's okay if it spills a little bit, mine did. And then you put it on 5. I think it does it for 20 minutes. Pop this little cover on, voila. Now, do I think you need to go and buy a baby food maker to make perfect hard-boiled eggs? No, I'm not saying that, but I'm saying because I had it, it is far and away the easiest way for me to make them. I don't forget about the water boiling. They're not overcooked, they're not undercooked. They're perfect. All right, time to eat lunch and do a little more work before I get Calvin from the bus and he has flag football practice tonight. Oh, hello. I am at the bus stop waiting for Mr. Calvin to come home. Parker and I were just talking about it, and I think we're going to have him skip flag football practice for today. We've had such a busy week and we're all exhausted, so the boys both have half days tomorrow because we have parent-teacher conferences we're going to, so I think we are going to just chill tonight, make some dinner, spend some quality family time, and relax before waking up to another daily grind.
This looks so yummy.
Pumpernickel bread. I got that new pumpernickel bread. How is it, Calvin?
Really good.
Really good. Calvin, did your friends like your Yes, your Spinosaurus shirt?
Did they ask why you were home yesterday? I asked it that.
You told them. Perfect. Did you see that egg? So perfect. It is getting late. My battery is dying. It is Vlogmas day 8. I'm finishing up some dinner for the boys. They're just having those hard-boiled eggs and some toast and some fruits and vegetables, and that's an easy Tuesday night dinner. So I'm going to say good night. Be sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Actually, I'll see you, when will I see you? Wednesday and Thursday's videos will be combined because this video right here, Tech Tools I Love for K through 2, is going out on Thursday. So be sure to watch that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.